we'd like to find cofactor expansion, cofactors and minors. Okay, so we're gonna look at 3 by 3 matrix, and the entries are gonna be 1, negative 2, 3, 6, 7, negative 1, and negative 3, 1, and 4. So there will be 9 cofactors and 9 corresponding minors that we're going to use to find those cofactors. Right? So first we're going to find the cofactor of the first column and the first row and the first column. So as you know, the first row and first column, C11, before you do that, let's understand. So I'm going to put the rule here. So C, the cofactor of ij, is going to be equal to negative 1 to the power of I plus j times m of ij. I, row number, j, column number. Okay, so C11 is going to be negative 1 to the power of 1 plus 1, so that's 2, right? Because both I and j are 1, times the m, right? Times the m of 1, 1. Now what is m11? m11 is going to be the determinant of these two rows and columns. Why? Because m11 excludes the row number and column number, right? So we're excluding the first column and the first row, and we're looking at the remainder, and we're finding the determinant of the remaining entries, right? So we're finding the determinant of this, right? And that's going to be 28 minus negative 1, which is 29, right? So that's going to be 1 times 29, which is 29. Now let's actually find m12. And I'm not going to do all 9 of them. You will do this for your own practice, but I'm just going to show you a few of them. And I need to erase this because these will change, right? That's why I need to erase it, because that's only the first case. Alright, so m12. m12 is going to be, so let me actually separate that because that's the first case. So m12, so column row 1, column 2, row 1, column 2. So we exclude row 1 and column 2. So we're looking at 6, negative 1, negative 3, 4, right? The determinant, and that's going to be 24 minus the product of this diagonal, which is 3, so that's 21. So C12 is going to be negative 1, 1 plus 2, right, according to the formula, times 21, so that's negative 21. And now finally, I'm going to give you one more example. How about we do 3, 2. So 3, 2, row 3, column 2. So we're working with 1, 3, 6, negative 1. That's going to be negative 1, right? product, minus the product of these, minus 18, so that's negative 19. So C32 is going to be negative 1 to the power of 3 plus 2 times negative 19. And that's going to be negative 1 times negative 19, which gives you 19. And maybe we have time for one more case. Let's do 2, 3. Row 2, column 3. Row 2, column 3 is excluded. So we have 1, negative 2, negative 3, and 1. The determinant is 1 minus the product, which is 6, negative 5. So the cofactor of the second row and third column is going to be negative 1 to the power of 2 plus 3 times negative 5. And that's going to be negative 1 times negative 5, which is 5. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.